Hi, I'm Aaron Dowd with Archer Services, and today I'm going to be talking pots with you, and not just any pots, succulent pots. Are you tired of killing everything in your landscape and in your pots and just not getting out there enough to water? Succulents can help make life easier for you. These guys are very low maintenance. It doesn't mean no maintenance, it just means low maintenance. So you do need to get out there periodically to water them and take care of them. But with our landscape designs, we always include proper irrigation and proper drainage through these pots to make sure that they're well drained. But with the proper soils in here, you can do things like, so we have portulaca in here, we have sedum, and we have a blue agave here that really takes this thing to the next level. These guys are exciting. I have done 0 to this pot. We planted this in the spring it's been about 6 months, and I have done absolutely nothing to this pot. It's got its own watering system, so it gets watered once a day because it gets full blaring sun on this all afternoon. So this pot takes a lot of abuse, and it's done really, really well. And this portulaca has bloomed most of the summer, so it's just exciting. It's kind of almost taken over the sedum a little bit, but the goal is, if I did it again, probably add a little bit more sedum to kind of drape over there and get in. I love the blue, the agave, and then the yellow sedum, and then this coral color portulaca. It's just a beautiful combination. I've just admired this pot all year. I haven't pruned it. I haven't done anything to it. So it's just been a wonderful pot. So if you're looking for something a little bit easier in your landscape today, then you might try succulents. Thank you.